Hi guys, so for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use completing squares to find the max and min value, and to also use another method, which is averaging the zeros, factorizing, and you divide it by 2 to also find the maximum and minimum value. So you can choose either one and see which one's easier for you guys. Okay, so to find for the third one, the maximum and the minimum value, there is the A. If the A is more than 0, smiley face. That means it has a minimum point. And if the A is less than 0, sad face. So it's the maximum point. Okay. I'll teach you how to find the maximum and minimum value also. So this is the quadratic equation. Okay, so first we list down the A, B, and C value. 1, B is 6, C is -7. Okay, so to complete the square, there's a given formula. This is the formula, which is x plus b over 2a squared minus b over 2a squared plus c over a. You have to make sure that a is 1 to make it easier. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so this is the formula. So first, we just sub in the values in the formula. So to complete the square, x plus b, which is 6 over 2, which is 3 square, minus b over 2a, which is also 3 square, plus minus 7 over a, which is -7. Okay, and then for completing square, the basic formula for the general equation of completing square is x plus h square plus k. So you want to find this form. Okay, so we have this already, which is x plus 3 squared, and we have to calculate this one. So minus 3 squared, which is -9, minus 7 gives you -16. Okay, so to find the maximum or the minimum value, we have to determine what shape it is. So since a is more than 0, it's a smiley face. That means it's a minimum. To find the minimum value, it is given already from the completing square, which is the k. So the minimum value for this equation is -16. Okay, now the next one, the next equation, gx is equals to 2x squared plus 6x plus 10. So first we determine the values. A is 2, B is 6, and C is 10. Since A is not 1, we have to factorize it. You have to get this number 2 out of the equation. So you take out 2 from the equation, squared plus 3x plus 5. So when you times 2 in, you still get this equation. Okay. And then, now we complete the square, since x is already 1. So the new values are 1, b is 3, and c is 5. Okay. So, x plus b over 2a, b is 3, 3 over 2, square minus 3 over 2 square plus c, which is 5, over a, which is 1, so it's just 5. Okay, now we calculate. So 2 is outside. Make sure you don't forget the 2. X plus 3 over 2 square. 3 over 2 square is 9 over 4. And negative 9 over 4 plus 5 is positive 11 over 2. So, to find out if it's a maximum or a minimum graph, we have to determine the a. Since a is more than 0, there, since a is more than 0, that means it is a minimum point. Therefore, so right now, we have to times in the 2. Okay? Don't forget to times in the 2. So 2 x plus 3 over 2 square, and 2 times 11 over 2 is 11. Therefore, the minimum value is 11. Okay. For this equation, minus 4, we have to calculate for this first. X plus 1 square. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. And we have to times in the minus 4. So first, there's like a hidden 1 here. So minus 4 times 1 is minus 4. X plus 1 square, and minus 4 times minus 4 is positive 16. So, given the a is 1 or minus 4, cancel that out. Given that a is less than 0 since it's minus 4, that means it has a maximum value, sad face, a maximum point. So therefore, the maximum value is 16. Yay! And that is how you complete the squares.